Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Archie, your host, and you're watching me on Wrestle Brothers. So in this particular video, I am going to talk about some interesting news about WWE's. The first thing is that who are these Retribution members and who can be the possible leaders of Retribution that's been coming up, and also what happens to Roman Reigns' character. So stay tuned. Before Payback, this is some interesting news. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is definitely about Retribution, the newly formed group who is attacking for the past few weeks to both the Raw and the SmackDown superstars, and also the audience, team or the audience players who has been sitting there also been attacked by Retribution. So who are this? See, on the past Raw, when Retribution team has attacked on the main event to Ray and Dominic, so there are some names that have been coming up. Maybe they are not the stable members of Retribution right now, because Vince McMahon may be swapping members right now. He may be testing right now who are the perfect fit, but these are the names that came up really well. So the first two names by the appearance that's been came up is that one is Dominic Dijakovic. So as you can see, he's a NXT superstar and he's a very famous superstar, and as you can see, the physique are quite similar, so he can be one of the members of Retribution. Not only that, Dio Madin, who doesn't remember him, he was once the Raw announce team member, and when he was attacked by Brock Lesnar, he was not there in the Raw announce team, and he has taken a break off, and right now he is been the part of Retribution member. Also, there are some female superstars, tons of female superstars name that have came, by seeing the hair color, by seeing the hair structure. So one of the name is definitely Jessie Camilla. As you can see, her hair was flaunt, the hair color, and you can see the physique are also quite similar. Not only that, we have also seen the curly hair Vanessa Borny, because the type of curly hair she's been having, the same curly hair we have seen in one of the Retribution members. Not only that, Chelsea Green, Santana Garrett, Mia Yim, and Indy Hartwell. These four names are also there. So we all know that in one of the episodes of Raw and SmackDown where the female superstars have attacked some of the female superstars, so WWE made it very clear that there are also some female superstars involving. And one of the surprising names that have came up after this past Raw is that one of WWE's main roster superstar, Ember Moon. Ember Moon has been out due to some injury for some time right now, but she is back. That's been this is just a guess that she's been back, and she has been the part of the Retribution member right now. So these are all the guesses that's been going on, the inside news. Fans are guessing, everybody is guessing, so we're still not clear that who will be the permanent staffs of the permanent member of the Retribution team, because sometimes we are seeing 10 to 15 members of Retribution, sometimes we are seeing 5 to 6 members, so it's just fluctuating. The members have been fluctuating. Vince has been testing really well, but the question is that who will lead this team? There are two names that have come up who can be the possible leader of the team. The first name is WWE SmackDown superstar The Miz. The Miz name has come up really well, because whenever the Retribution attack is happening, Miz has not been present any of the time. As you can see, in one of the match between the last week of SmackDown, when Biggie was fighting John Morrison, Miz was not there, and still on the last SmackDown also we have want to see on the main event that Miz was not there at that time. So Miz came after the Retribution left, so he can be the leader. And another leader is definitely the big dog, Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns can be the leader, and the way he has returned on SummerSlam, wreck everyone and leave, this can be a possible thing for Retribution, so he can be a perfect leader. So these are the names that have come up for Retribution. More names will definitely come in the fewer weeks, so let's see. Now, as we are talking about the big dog, so let's talk about him. What a shocking moment at the climax of WWE SmackDown today. Roman Reigns and Paul Heyman saying the dialogue, "Believe that." So it is very clear that right now Roman Reigns is the new Paul Heyman guy, and we all know that whenever Paul Heyman joins someone, his character becomes more strong, his character become more popular. The prime example of this is CM Punk and Brock Lesnar. Even the Curtis Axel has also got a momentum during being a Paul Heyman guy. So the way it was just shocking that we all have a guess that maybe Roman can be the heel this time, but whether he can pull off the heel really well, that's WWE is not sure, and that is the reason why WWE has assigned Paul Heyman as the manager of Roman Reigns. And we all know that whenever Paul Heyman is there, the heel character gets the pumped up, gets the boost up, and the promos gets cut really well. Roman Reigns is a very good promo cutter, but as a face character, but when it comes to the heel character, Roman Reigns may not be doing the same thing. So Paul Heyman has been assigned to Roman Reigns, and it's quite sure that right now Roman will be the heel character along with Paul Heyman. Maybe Paul Heyman will be assisting him, maybe promos will be cut by Roman, but an extra spice will be added by Paul Heyman. So the question is that for the triple threat no holds barred match, who will be the face? Braun Strowman, he's a monster character, he's a heel. Fiend is a demon, he's a heel. Roman has now become heel. So who is the face? So right now, as the stories being going on, heel character, there are two heel character and one face character, and that face character is definitely not Roman Reigns. So the heel character, one heel character is Roman Reigns, and another heel character is the monster Braun Strowman. So that's left out the baby face Fiend. So we all know that Fiend's been very popular with the fans. So it's been very clear right now that WWE is trying to make Fiend as the baby face, whether he leaves as a champion or he doesn't leave as the champion, but this feud will go for a long time. The Fiend versus Roman Reigns, this feud will be taken until up to Hell in a Cell as per the source going on right now. So heel versus face, that will be a good one, and Roman Reigns as a new Paul Heyman guy will definitely add a big spice to his character, to his career, I would say. So let's see what happens in the Payback, but right now it's a very interesting thing that's been initiated by WWE, because Roman Reigns is back, and he is back with Paul Heyman guy. So let's see what happens. My Payback prediction will definitely come in my next video, so stay tuned guys for the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.